today I'm gonna show you how to hide your desktop icon and how to make it so. This is very easy and simple. When you see my video after watching my video, you can easily do it. See, like for example, in your desktop you see more maze and there is something here and there. You will say what is this? So why like this? Then you will not feel good. You don't want to work on that laptop or that PC, or you don't want to use that PC because when you see first, then you will see it's very mess. Because of that, you don't want to work. So you want to hide the all the desktop items. So how we can do? This is the tutorial for you guys. If you want to hide the desktop icon and if you want to show the desktop icon as well, and you can clean the desktop icons. So see, first here you can see in my background there is nothing. That means already I had done the hidden for my background. So I want to show my background icons, like my desktop icons. Just I want to go here, view, then click. If I click on this show desktop icon, see, now I can see my icons. Again, if I want to hide this item, this is very simple. Same option, go and untick this thing, show desktop icon. So see, it is hidden. Okay, thank you guys. I hope this video is useful for you, and please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to share this my video. Thank you very much. See you.